Today we are going to review the Swiffer Wet Jet mopping kit. This box here, I actually got this one at Lowe's, but you can get it on Amazon. So I already opened the box, but let's take everything out. So here's what it comes with. You get a handle. You get 2 packs of the Wet Jets. One of them says heavy duty. You get this part, which is basically the thing that does the mopping. And then you get a bottle of this Wet Jet stuff. Okay, batteries inserted. So load this in there. And it's got a rubbery thing, so you don't take the top off. If you did, it would just pour all over the floor. So attaching the pad, there's nothing to connect it with. You just put the pad down and push, and it's connected with some little Velcro-y things. The handle just snaps right in, and then you push this button here to make the stuff spray. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but my floor is a little dirty. And that's what spraying is, what the batteries do. All right, well, floor is done. There's the dirty dirt that came up with it. Okay, overall, I think this worked pretty well, and I would say this is recommended. It is certainly better than the old mop, and it's certainly easier to use. So it looks like my floor came up clean, and so let's call this a buy.